your fun Mo Willems themed take and make. And today I thought I'd share some really fun stories with you. So I'm going to be reading Leonardo, the Terrible Monster by Mo Willems. I have to say, this is a secret, but this is actually my favorite book by him. Leonardo was a terrible monster. He couldn't scare anyone. He didn't have 1,642 teeth like Tony. He wasn't big like Eleanor. And he wasn't just plain weird like Hector. Leonardo tried very hard to be scary, but he just wasn't. One day, Leonardo had an idea. He would find the most scaredy cat kid in the whole world and scare the tuna salad out of him. Leonardo researched until he found the perfect candidate. Sam. Leonardo snuck up on the poor, unsuspecting boy. And the monster gave it all he had until the little boy cried. Yes, cheered Leonardo. I did it. I finally scared the tuna salad out of somebody. No, you didn't, snapped Sam. Oh, yeah, replied Leonardo. Then why are you crying? My mean brother stole my action figure right out of my hands while I was still playing with it, and then he broke it on purpose, and it was my favorite toy, and I tried to fix it, but I couldn't. So I got mad, and I kicked the table, and I stubbed my toe, and it's the same toe that I hurt last month when I accidentally slipped in the bathtub after I got soap in my eyes trying to wash out the bird poo that my brother's cockatoo pooped on my head, and I don't have any friends and my tummy hurts. That's why. Then Leonardo made a very big decision. It's okay. Instead of being a terrible monster, he would become a wonderful friend. But that didn't mean that he couldn't try to scare his friend every now and then. Boom! The end. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye!